Hi everyone. In today's session, I'm going to discuss a very important question is why managerial communication is so important for the success of an organization. For that, I'm providing 8 key answers in these sessions. Effective communication is central to the success of any business organization. Communication is considered as continuous activity throughout our lives. Much of our lives are spent communicating with others, be it at our work or in our family life. In an organization, communication takes place at various levels and it should be effective to enable an organization to survive. Across the organization, individuals sends and receives information. That's why effective communication is very important for the success of your organization. Basic functions of management are planning, organizing, directing, coordinating, and controlling. Thus, through effective communication, only we can achieve these basic functions of management can be easily communicated with the different stakeholders. Next one, various tools of written communications are required. Written communication includes memorandum, circular, office orders, notice, and so on. These various tools of written communications are available for communicating within the organization. So these communication skill also plays a very vital role for the success of an organization. Next one, modern communication tools. Modern communication tools like computers, video phone, writing messages through mobile, fill out forms, giving orders and receiving orders, etc. So employees in nowadays, you can see they are communicating through informal process. Written communication is considered as informal communication. So therefore, it is also plays a very important role for the success of an managerial communication. So that communication plays a key role in all management process that has been universally accepted. A management can be regarded as successful only when it has an effective communication. There are numerous instances when operations couldn't succeed because unclear instructions and messages were transmitted to inadequate communication. So, in today's globalized economy, all organizations need to play a consistent attention to ensure that they have effective communications. Effective communication and effective management is a function of effective communication. So therefore, many operations have failed because of inadequation of communication. So misunderstood messages and unclear instructions plays a vital role for an organization failed communication. Communication can be defined as the process by which a person, group, or an organization transmits some type of information to another person. Those person may be a receiver or a group or an individual, sometimes or an organization also. The communication cannot be understood by all the members. If some members of the group are highly intelligent or highly technical and some others may not. So here we require a clear communication between the individuals, groups and organization members. Communication always be a two-way of communication. Proper communication between interested parties reduces the points of friction and minimizes those that inevitably arises. Accordingly, by proper communication and sharing of information, the management takes the employees in confidence and makes them more knowledgeable person and about their problems, policies of enterprises, etc. So two-way means of consulting and exchanging facts, opinions, and key ideas between management and employees. So that is related to objectives and policies of organization, plans and prospects for the futures, conditions of survivability of the organization, ways and means of improving efficiency and productivity, all aspects of industrial safety, health, and welfare. So all these happens with the help of two-way communication. Information and knowledge about all these aspects makes the operations of organization comparatively trouble-free. And it is the management responsibility to ensure that employees have obtained all the necessary information about different aspects and gets the necessary feedback related to the aspects. Finally, suggestions, grievance, and feedback from employees and from the stakeholders are also very important, that has to be properly analyzed and later that converted into the development of the organization. Without communication, supervision, and leadership is not possible. It is a basic tool for motivation and improved moral activity in the business. That's why managerial communication plays a vital role for success of an organization.